Can't say, yeah, it's a tree. I thought it had like hollow insides. Hollow insides, like it's weak, but so as you can see, it's like a tree, but you can't say it's like a very, very strong tree because it's easily broken with the plant itself. So here, so this is it. This is the poisonous. This is how its fruits look like. Yeah. Hello guys, so today I have a very interesting video for you. So this video is going to explain a plant that is very common here in Africa. A plant that, how can you put it, that has many uses, both good and the other reason you the audience can argue it out. So guys, I wanted to show you this plant, and I will also analyze it a little bit as a molecular scientist, just a little bit, and then I'll tell you what it's used for. You can see I'm from Kenya. I'm wearing the Kenyan flag. There's red, black, and white. So I'm in Kenya, Africa. It's just Africa has 52 countries. So, but this plant here, let me show you the leaf. This plant here, you can see the leaf is almost like it's a coast plant, or it grows near water bodies. So what is actually correct? It grows near water bodies. Let me show you. As you can see, there's a river down there. There's a beautiful river down there. It's dirty because the river is kind of brown because there's been a lot of rain and a lot of erosion of soil, like that comes from there are a lot of farms that are beside this river on the banks. So there's a lot of soil that is loose that drains into the water, hence the water becoming brown. But I guess if the rain subsides for maybe like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, the water will be clear again, since the water is flowing. The water is flowing to, like it's a flowing river. It's not like a lake that is stagnant. So guys, I want to turn the camera so that we analyze this plant well. But this place is not very, very stable. I don't know where I can put my camera. I don't know if there is okay. Yeah, so the plant that you're seeing on your screen, so this is the plant that you're seeing on your screen. So setting up the camera is becoming an issue. So guys, I hope you can see me visibly. I hope you can see me visibly. So guys, this is the plant right here. This is the plant right here. As you can see, it's a plant that it's not a tree. Can't say, yeah, it's a tree. I thought it had like hollow insides. Hollow insides, like it's weak, but so as you can see, it's like a tree, but you can't say it's like a very, very strong tree because it's easily broken, and it's easily broken, as you can see right here. So this plant has so many uses. but I'm going to give you the most controversial use that is kind of exciting for most of my audience. I guess it's outside Kenya and outside Africa. So I want to give you like one of its use that is clearly very exciting. So what I came to learn about this plant is that this plant is used for hunting, but by a community known as the Maasai community. I guess most of you in international communities in my channel, you have heard of the Maasai people. The Maasai people are famously found on the Rift Valley region in Kenya and Tanzania. They're mostly in Kenya and Tanzania. I don't know if there are Somali people in Uganda or other countries, but they're majorly found in Kenya and Tanzania. So this plant here is poisonous, a little bit poisonous. You can see. I need to look at it. It's poisonous, and it's used by the Maasai community for hunting. So long ago, in the early 20th century, you can say 20th century, 19th century, among the Maasai community, it was used for hunting other human beings. But now it's used for hunting wild animals, like maybe lions or just wild animals that may be destructive to human life. So what they do is they grind, they take this leaf and this, they take all of this and then they grind them in like a pot. They grind them, and then what they do, they have very beautifully made arrows for hunting. So they apply on the metallic part of the arrow. I don't know if I have tested this thing accidentally. So they grind this the flowers, not the flowers, the leaves and the stems right, and the stems right here. This parts right here, they grind it very well into like a pot, and then there's a juice that it produces. They don't actually mix it with water so that it remains very conk. So what happens next is they apply it on the metallic sharp part of the arrows so that it's poisonous, such that when it pierces an animal, the animal may be able to run for a shorter distance and then it collapses and dies because it has poisoned actually their blood system. So this plant is poisonous, and it grows nearly on, it grows in very many water bodies. It grows in very many water bodies here in Africa, as you can see. If I walk you up to the other side of the river, you'll see so many of this beautiful poisonous plant. Of this beautiful plant here, you'll see a lot of this. One thing I've discovered, like a common thing about most of these plants that grow near the river, it's like they are a little bit, how can I put it? They are a little bit I don't know if I have the right word. I'm looking for the right word. they seem a little bit attractive because, as you can like look at their the leaf. The leaf looks attractive. Maybe it's my own opinion, but when you look at the structure of the leaf here, it looks a little bit attractive. Not a little bit, it's attractive. It's actually one of the most attractive leaves I've seen in this riverbank here. One of the most attractive leaves I've seen here. So you can see, very beautiful leaf, very beautiful. And another thing that I've noticed is the branches are the branches are hollow. You can see the branches are very, very hollow. The branches are very, very hollow. Very, very hollow. I guess because one of the main reasons is because maybe for water to be able to penetrate into them into their system very, very easily, because they are growing near the water. I want to pluck one of their fruits, one of its fruits, so that you guys can see. You guys can see what its fruit is like. Here. So this is an indicator. Actually, one thing that can indicate this is a poisonous fruit. Look at the scary fruits that it produces. It produces very, 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 very scary looking, very, very scary looking fruits here. They look small, and they have some protective gear around them. This is high school biology. A plant's mechanism towards its enemies. You can see here it has a protective mechanism, like some sharp. It's like a hedgehog, a plant hedgehog. It has some spikes around it. It can actually injure you when you... Good for me, I have very, very strong palm. Like my palm is very, very rough, as you can see. My palm, so it can't actually penetrate. But when it comes to here, I'm feeling a little bit of pain. So these are mechanisms to protect them from maybe animals, just organisms, maybe human beings, just organisms that may seem to tamper with its ecosystem, with the plant itself. So here, so this is it. This is the poisonous. This is how its fruits look like here. You can see when the fruits are a little bit younger, they look a little bit beautiful, as you can see. They look a little bit beautiful when the fruits are young. So I want to try to bring the tree a little bit closer. Whoa, whoa! Oh! Oh! Oh, I actually had fallen. So this is a big chunk of it. It's growing to the other side facing the river. I don't know the reason. I really don't know the reason. But it's growing facing the river there. So it's hard, but I'm going to show you using the camera how it looks like. So this is it. This is how it looks like. I guess its attractiveness is for pollination or something. And then the fruits themselves, these ones, are for defensive mechanisms. The fruits, these ones, are for defensive mechanisms. And yeah. Oh! Are for defensive mechanisms. So this is it. Looks stunning, but it's dangerous. So guys, what have you learned from this video? So when you come to Africa someday, look for this plant and ask the Maasai community what it's used for in the Maasai community. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed my video. I hope you have really enjoyed my video, guys. And what is around here? I thought I had something like going through the downer part of the river. I think I had swallowed some of them. I'm going to drink a lot of water so that maybe if there are any toxins from this flower here, I won't be affected. Oh, so guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Guys, kindly like my video, subscribe, share, comment. Just give me nice ideas, something that you want to see me doing in this video. And guys, thank you for your support. I have 1,000 subscribers as at now. As we usher into the new year, guys, please support me. And I promise my videos will be spectacular, and I'm going to buy a drone very soon when I get some money. So guys, thank you so much. And I guess that's the end of my video. And Happy New Year. Bye.